Hello everyone, and welcome to Tutelageek. On today's video, I'm going to show you an app I came across quite recently, but I find it very useful, especially for professionals. It is called Greenshot, and it is like the Windows Snipping Tool, but on steroids. I found out about this app on my full-time job where it was pre-installed, and I was amazed by how easy it is to do everything, so I thought I would show you. Greenshot is free, and this video is not sponsored or affiliated with them in any way. If you're interested, let's get started. Let's go on the browser and search for Greenshot. This is the logo of the app, so you can choose the first option. Choose Download Now. There is no fee, but you can always support with a donation. I'm choosing Windows. Download is done. Accept the agreements. Press Next. Here you can choose the different app plugins. I will just go with the recommended settings since I don't really use any of the apps listed here. You can also choose a different language. Here you can set the app to start when Windows starts, which is great since it will always be ready to use. If you come to enjoy this app and can afford to make a donation, you will be able to support developers. I'll close it down and press Finish. The first time I installed Greenshot, a window appeared right now saying that it cannot set the print screen button as a shortcut because it is already used. If the same thing appears for you, press Ignored and it will do it regardless. Let's move on to how the app works. Since we set it to start when Windows starts, it runs in the background. So all we have to do is press the print screen button. Our cursor turns into a cross that has a horizontal and vertical line extended from it to help with precision when we select the area we want to print screen. And then we also have the magnified version of our cursor to make precision even easier. We left-click and hold to start selecting the area we want to capture, and Greenshot is showing the dimensions. We release the left-click and we receive a few options regarding on what we want to do with our capture. The most common one is Copy to Clipboard, which makes it easy to insert our capture anywhere with a simple paste. But the cool option here is Open in Image Editor, which is where the magic happens. The set of tools it provides is exactly to the point. We can crop the image again. We have to press Confirm or Cancel. We can select the thickness and color of the lines, and then we choose the square where we can easily highlight specific parts of our capture. We can select the arrow or simple lines, which makes everything look very clean and professional. We can type our own text either in text boxes or in speech bubbles. We can modify their position or even delete them. There is a highlighter tool we can use. We can resize our capture by setting specific dimensions, or we can rotate our capture clockwise and counterclockwise. The equivalent software provided by Windows is the Snipping Tool, where we can choose our capture and there is a pen, but no other tools to help us modify our image. We close the Snipping Tool and we go back to Greenshot, and once our capture is ready, we press the Copied Image to Clipboard button, and then if we open a Microsoft Word file, for example, or any other app, we can simply paste it here. That was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you download the app and what you think of it. Please like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!